Hey, thanks for tuning into the channel. Today I'm going to do a review of the REV'IT Sand 4 H2O Adventure Riding Pant. When I first bought this pant a year ago, I hated them. I put them on, I rode with them, super uncomfortable, very difficult, didn't like them, and I put them up on my shelf and they sat there. Well, after doing some research online, I found that other guys had the same complaints and they solved it. So I'll show you what I did to make these pants have come to be the best pants I use when I ride an adventure bike. Super comfortable. It's got some padding on the knees and the hips, and I think you'll find these pants well worth taking a look at. It's the REV'IT Sand 4 H2O pant. Right now, Cycle Gear, they're $340, I believe. I paid $400 last May. So they're on sale. So after watching this review and other reviews of this pant, if you like it, might be a good time to buy it at Cycle Gear. So take a look at them. Also, when I do the review, I'm not going to go into the material. That's whatever that is. I'm going to put that in the notes below. So if you want to see what the material is, check the notes below. That'd be great. But before we go any further, let me give a little commercial. I know, commercial. I'd encourage you to go to my website. It's www.dangerdave8080.com and sign up for the blog. Just give your email address, and from time to time we put some information out there. It's kind of funny, kind of not funny, but it's all about motorcycle riding. So take a look at that. You might enjoy it. Anyway, without any further ado, let's go to my studio, sort of studio, it's an empty office, and take a deep dive into this REV'IT Sand 4 H2O pant. Thanks for watching. Again, this is going to be a favorable review of the REV'IT Sand 4 H2O pant. Just haven't had it a year. The first 3 or 4 months, I didn't like them. I had a little problem. I fixed the problem, and man, they are terrific. I'll tell you about the problem I fixed in just a little bit. But anyway, this pant is really great. It's not going to rip if you fall. It's got some extra layers in the bottom. If you fall there, it's got some leather on the seats. A lot of pockets on this pants. You have a pocket up front, up the top here on the right-hand side. It's not a deep pocket. I put my hand in there, that's about as far as it goes. But you can put like your wallet in there or some monies, you know, a key, something like that. That zips up pretty tight. And these pants by themselves, without the liners inside, are not waterproof. Then on each side you have a pocket that is much deeper. I mean, my whole hand goes in there and zips up to secure the contents. Reflective material is really bright. And then on each leg, it zips up all the way when it's cold and you want to not let the air get to your body. But then you can undo these vents and you have complete ventilation to your leg. And I will tell you, on a hot day, they really work. They have CE1 level protection in the hip, which isn't very much. It's almost like cardboard. And then CE level 2 in the knee area. We'll take these pants inside out. I'll show you in just a minute. So the pockets are one on top of the right-hand side, not on the left-hand side, just the right-hand side. You've got 2 pockets, one on the right, one on the left, and that's it for the pockets. And they are good pockets, deep pockets, and you can put a lot of stuff in there as well. On the bottom, on the cuff, very easy to get your shoes, your boots on. I put my boots on after I put my pants on with these pants. So you put the pants on, zip them up apart, put your boots on, zip them down. They have the Velcro here, which you can kind of make it smaller or wider, whatever boot preference that you have. On the back of the pants, they have these cinch straps, so it might take a little while to get those just right, but you can adjust these cinch straps to fit your leg so that they're even more comfortable than they already are. And you have one of those on each leg. Top here you have multitude of zippers. REV'IT's jackets and REV'IT's, the pants and jackets all kind of go together with their zipper system. So if you have a REV'IT jacket, you can zip your jacket to this big zipper here, and this little zipper is for their suspender system, and we'll talk about it in a little bit. They have adjustments on the side, so I'm 6 foot, 195 pounds. I wear 36 waist, 32, 33 inseam. These are extra large and they fit really, really well. The length is right, the waist fits good, but if you want to adjust the waist, you have these little straps here that you can make the straps bigger or smaller. And you see me, I've got mine all the way to the biggest side, so I don't know what that tells you. Let's go now and take the pants inside out. Now the Sand 4 H2O pant has been turned inside out, so we see the inside of the pant. This is the front of the pant, or the back of the pant. You can see it's got It has a lot of porous material. The pant runs really nice in the summertime. It's a very cool pant. It's super comfortable in the summertime. Again, it's turned out to be my go-to pair of pants. Let's flip it over now. We'll take a look at the pads. You can see the zippers right here. This is the zippers for this one's for the thermal liner and for the water liner, and we'll talk about that in just a second. But let's look at these pads. What REV'IT does in all their gear, they have these C2 pads or C1 pads, and you can, when you get the jacket or the pair of pants, they're easily adjustable. It takes a minute, but you can lower that hip, you can lower the knee pad up or down on the leg. But REV'IT does a really cool job. The challenge is a little tricky, but you only have to do it once. So when you get the pair of pants, you might have to adjust the knee pads. Take your time. You can get them adjusted just like you like them. So let me show you what I mean. So here, if you can see this, you can see we've got a couple of Velcro pads here and a couple of Velcro strips here. I don't know if you can see that very well, but if I open that up, I can slide the pad in deeper. So let's take the pad out. I'll show you what it looks like. This is their C2 pad. It's typically what you see in C2. It's what it is. And let's take that, and we'll take their hip pad out. Their hip pad is level 1, and it's a difference, big difference. It's like it's hardly enough to do anything. This is very thin, very malleable type stuff. This is a little bit, it's quite a bit thicker actually. There's a big difference from level 1 to level 2. When you first get the pair of pants, you're going to have to spend some time adjusting to your knee, and spend the time to do it, because once you get the pair of pants to fit well, it's just a better pair of pants, right? Let's go ahead and put the pad back in. I'll show you what I mean. So you have this Velcro system down here. I have them adjusted for my pant leg, and up top you have different levels of Velcro to fit the pad with. It's an ingenious idea they have. So we take the pad, but you take the pad out, you got to get it down there. Then I know my measurement, what I need, so I have the top Velcro strip going to the top Velcro strip here, and boom, that's it. With this pad here, there's no adjustment on the hip pad. You simply put it in there and off you go on your merry way. Kind of a Velcro system, which makes it kind of nice. So there you go. There's the knee pad. One left. Again, take a little time to get them to fit right, because if you don't have your knee pads fitted correctly, you're going to think, oh my gosh, these pants are so uncomfortable. Take a minute. You might have to go on a couple rides. Take them inside out. Get the knee pads to fit right. I think you'll find that it's super, super comfortable in knees. Okay, the REV'IT Sand 4 H2O pants is an all year long pant you can wear. Without the liners, it's a great summertime pant. It's cool. The air goes through. You open up the side vents of the pants, and there's a lot of airflow there. So it's a great summer pant. If it gets colder, you can put the liner in. You put the liner in before you put the rain protection in. Liner at the feet have these zippers that go around. It's very easy to install. On the top part, once it's in, there's two zippers. There's two zippers in the pant. One for the rain protection, water protection, and one for the warmth. And they're color coded. You can see this one here is kind of a gray color. That goes onto the gray color zipper. This one is black colored. It goes onto the black color of the zipper, if you will. So again, these guys that make this equipment, they think of everything. So once you put the liner in, once you put the water in, the waterproofing in, this pant is warm. It's really warm. I've ridden these pants fully lined up in 30-degree weather, and it felt great. So if these aren't waterproof, I have to have these pants in. So with these pants, do I have to stop, take my pants off, put the liner in, put the pants back on? I guess so. Point is, they're very easy to install. You can't mess it up. Put the insulation pant in first, match up the zipper, and then put in the water protection for the pant secondly, and match up the zipper. I shared with you that I didn't like them the first 3 or 4 months that I had them. And the reason why is when I had the pants on, my hips, felt good, but any sitting on my bike, moving around, felt like they were falling down. If I'd squat down to pick up something, if I just walk around, it felt like I couldn't get the tightness of the waist tight enough to keep my pants up. So the solution to that is to buy the REV'IT suspenders. It's like 40 bucks, and I've never worn suspenders in my life. So I'm gonna spend another $40 to get some suspenders for these pants. I didn't do that for a while. Finally, I broke down and I bought the suspenders that will zip on to the back of these pants. I will tell you, I put these suspenders on, and I'll show you how I did it, and it was magical. This is what $40 of suspenders looks like. And after installing these suspenders on the pants, I can tell you, these suspenders make these pants so incredibly comfortable. They're not tight on my body. They're just kind of hang there so that when I stand up and bend, it's a little bit helps them stay up. Super comfortable suspenders, and these pants with suspenders are super, super comfortable. So let me show you how they go on. So if I fold this back, you have the long zipper here for your jacket. The long zipper here from front to back is for if you have a REV'IT jacket, you can attach it there and have your jacket. So here we just take this, slide it in here, and there your suspenders are attached. Now in the front, pretty cool. Again, these motorcycle equipment people are geniuses in coming up with solutions to problems. Or maybe they create problems to come up with a solution. So anyway, so REV'IT has these suspenders, and they simply, you take the end, which is have kind of a Velcro thing on both sides, and they've got a pocket right here. Again, you can't miss, and you simply put this in here, Velcroed in, and there you have it. And that's not coming out either. And with these suspenders adjusted correctly, this pant is unbelievably comfortable. Well, now you've seen my fancy studio. I hope that information helped. It's a really great pants. This REV'IT Sand 4 H2O pant is a terrific pant. Now let me say one other thing, that when I wear these pants, I wear a Leah kind of a shorts that have some extra pads in it for the hips, because the hip pads really are CE level 1, which are ridiculous. The knee pads, CE level 2, do their job. So look at this. I'm wearing suspenders, and that's all it took for these pants to be super comfortable. Now, I don't wear suspenders with any pants ever, because it makes me feel like I got a big belly or something, which I probably do. But with these pants, with these suspenders on and adjusted right, jacket on top, these pants fit great. So REV'IT's gonna nail you another 40 bucks for these, but if you buy the pants for $340, add 40 bucks, that's $380. That's still cheaper than you buy the pants a year ago. So I encourage you to take a look at this, the REV'IT Sand 4 H2O pant. REV'IT makes great quality stuff. This is kind of their mid-level pant, and I think you'll really enjoy it. Anyway, thanks for watching, sure appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, sure appreciate it.